We are currently swimming in the pool of a resort in Mandarmani. I will share all the details of this resort with you in a little while. Watch the video till the end. Hi friends, I am Kabir. You are watching Kabsar World Solo Traveler with Families. I am currently in front of a resort in Mandarmani. After a lot of searching, I found a budget-friendly resort. The name of the resort is Royal Resort. The Royal and Hotel Resort is located beside Bombay Resort. Booking contact: 933-3193-06. Let's go inside the resort and I'll show you a video. On the left side is the kitchen room. That is reception of resort. The resort has two types of rooms: cottage rooms and hotel rooms. That is cottage. I booked a cottage room. You can dry your clothes on the balcony. I booked a double-bed AC room, and the charges are 1,500 net per night. It's a spacious room. King-size bed.
I really like the resort. The resort is very good for families. You all enjoy here with your family.
Now let me show you around the outside area of the resort. There are some rabbits and birds here that your kids will enjoy. You can swim in the pool from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. In this area, you can enjoy the refreshing sea breeze. You can spend time here relaxing and passing the time. The beach starts from here. The entire resort is connected to the beach. Friends, I don't make promotional videos.